So what is up, guys? I'm back with another video, and this is a solar panel to charge my phone, and I got this just in case the power goes out from the whole situation. But anyways, let's get right into it. Let's unbox this. Okay, so this is the Aeiusny. This is the Aeiusny solar panel. It's up. It kind of comes in this neat little carrying case, which is kind of cool. And I guess this is like, okay, so this is like cables for like cable storage and hookups. So let me see how I can open this. Okay, there we go. It's like, wow, this thing's like massive. Jeez, there's like 4 of these panels. So this thing is huge. Oh my goodness, dude. So yeah, this thing's kind of interesting because it can directly plug in like into a smartphone, charging through mini USB. So I thought that was kind of cool. And it also has a hookup to charge with, and if you have an electric generator that has a solar panel hookup, which I happen to have, which is kind of cool. This thing's really big though, so I'm gonna test it later. Just like putting it in a window and seeing if it could generate power through that. Yeah, so it's like a little instruction booklet, all kinds of like hookups. Check out the user manual, anything interesting. So yeah, it has USB ports, it has quick charge port, DC output, and it weighs 7 pounds. Yeah, let's see if we can actually find the hookups. So right here is actually, I don't know if you guys can see that, this little like black pack right here. You can't really see that. So let's go, test it out. So I did test this thing and it did work. It was just kind of a little awkward to be holding up the solar panel in the window and filming at the same time. I couldn't really do it with both my hands side, but it did work. It was charging my phone through USB. So yeah, anyways, if you like this video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.